Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I will be showing a simple technical analysis on EURUSD for the week. So after the whole analysis, I will share the outcome of the analysis, the outcome of the market in my Telegram channel. I'll drop the link below this video so you can join my Telegram channel so you can be updated in every move we make. So let's get down to the business. So when looking at chart right now, we can see we are in a uptrend because we can clearly see we're in a downtrend. Confirmation with series of these breaks of structure, the swing high, the swing low, the swing high, the swing low, the series of break of structure. So as you all know how we do it, we follow the trend, we don't go against the trend. And mind you, this 3-minute time frame. So on 3-minute time frame, we are having a sell structure, and you know how we do it. We first check the 15-minute time frame, for which is the higher time frame bias. So the higher time frame will determine what we are doing for the day. Maybe the trend on 3 minutes is alignment or aligning with the higher time frame, which means the higher time frame must be aligned with the lower time frame. The lower time frame should be aligned with the higher time frame. That's just the simple context we always use in this channel. So let's see. So as you can clearly see on the 15-minute time frame, we're in a buy trend, we're in a bullish trend. Confirmation with this series of the first leg that took out this low, and we have this high. So but right now, this is the valid structure. We have the swing high, the swing low, the swing high, the swing low, the swing high, and the current swing low, which we can say this is a valid swing low because it haven't break this high and haven't take out this low. So this is just like a swing, but minor swing. So you know how we do it. Then I can check 1 hour. If you're not sure of what is happening on the 15-minute, then we can check the 1 hour. As you can see, it's very obvious on the 1 hour that it's a buy move, it is a buy trend with confirmation of this series of the swing high, swing low, series of break of structure to the upside. So going back to our 15 minutes, so we mark the recent swing high, which is this, as our drawn of liquidity, or you can call it a target area. I prefer calling it a target area. So I'm going to mark it out like this and label it with the TGT, which is our target. So where is the leg that created this high? Where is the leg that created this high? This is the leg, and this is the low, and the low took out a break of structure, took out a high, confirming it to a buy side, so making it a strong low for us. So I'll mark this out as a strong low for me. So this is a strong low which I don't expect price to break, and this is our break of structure. So I'm just going to label this so you can understand what is going on in case we're in the lower time frame and you are seeing them. So I'm going to label this as a higher low. So now going down to 3-minute time frame, you know how we do it. We already know we are buying, we're in the bull side or bullish trend on the higher context, which is the 15-minute time frame and 1 hour. So going down to 3 minutes, so what we'll be looking for, we'll be looking for a buy move. So we'll be looking for a buy move, or buy price action, or buy settings, so or buy confluence. And currently on the lower time frame, you can see we are having something called pending low. if you haven't watched my previous video, I'll do a video talking about pending lows and a pending high, a weak low and a weak high, a synthetic low and a synthetic high. So stay tuned, follow, and on your notification button so you can get videos and more information like this. So going back to the video, so currently this is the first pending low we have. So basically this pending low, I'm just going to name it pending low. Let's make it PDL, pending low. Sorry. Alright, the keys. Okay. So I'm going to name it PDL. So the PDL means this is the potential low. This is a potential low which is more likely to break to the upside. Do you understand? This is a potential low which is more likely to break to the upside, which could be a strong low in the future. So that's why I'm going to call it pending low. So because right now, what are the confluence that I see that made me call this a pending low? As you can see, we have what we call this swing high, swing low, and price taking it out, making this low a strong low, and it gave enough break of structure before change of character. These are internal structure, that is a BOS, and we have the change of character right here, change the state of delivery or anything you know it as. So we have the change of character right there. So this actually make this a pending low. So then we have price giving a uptrend, then changing down. So definitely price is only looking for a full side or a area with a expensive liquidity or area with enough energy, so price can push to the upside, to the target area, to the zone. So price can push up. So that is why you are seeing this sell structure. So that is why we are having this sell structure. So I'm just trying to explain the terms of structure to you so you can understand what we are doing here if you are new to this video. So yes, back to our analysis. So that is why we are expecting something like maybe price should pull down to an area around here and tank up and buy. So we are looking for the perfect area and we are looking for the confluence we need to confirm we are buying and to know when to enter the trade by buying. So let's look at this area and mark out some valid zone we are expecting price to react to, and if we see a specific reaction, we will join the trend by buying. First thing, I'm going to label this low, this fair value gap right here. I'm going to label it out. Then I will label this previous breaker block. I don't know what you guys call it, so I'm just going to label it. I'm going to label it right here. So since the fair value gap is inside the zone of this block, so I'm just going to delete the fair value gap because they are both in a zone, so they're just like a zone. So I think this zone will be a golden zone because it have a lot of price action in it, this zone, because firstly we have this other block right here, or people call it breaker block, or I don't know, price reacted to it right here before price just decided to drop, and we see a fair value gap in it, so giving us more confluence that yes, we should be expecting a price action at this zone. So going back to the current candle, as you can see, price is still dropping. So what will I be expecting if I want to confirm we are buying for the week? So if we can have something like, because it's Monday next tomorrow, so price is more likely to give a gap down, so at the new day opening. But right now what we are expecting to see is something like this. If we can have something like this, price dumping to this area, breaking above this, and pull back, then from this pullback we can find our trend. You understand? So basically we just need a price action of this, and this. So most people call it head and shoulder. They have a lot of names for it, but I just simplify it by change the character. It's just like what happened here. If you can have what happened here, what happened there, you can have it over here. If you can have it over there, then we join the trend by buying. So it's not necessarily we see this price action, but right now what I'll be looking for is currently, if price can take this eye out, I'll mark this eye. If we can have this, if price have break this structure here, we have a break of structure right now. This is a break of structure right now. So if we can have something like price dropping here, then giving some series of bullish move to the upside until it breaks this high, then we expect price to clear everything and we can join the buy to the upside. And this will be a massive and a lot of buys, price action and opportunity we can have to the upside, because we have enough pips, enough risk to reward ratio from this zone to the upside. That is enough pips and enough ratio, and we have a lot of buy, price action right at that zone. And currently that is the zone we'll be watching out for. So, and that is the price action we'll be looking at for on the 3-minute time frame. And even though we can have some quick scalp right here, we can have some quick scalp buying at this zone. That is if we can have something like this, push down, push up. You do understand? Push up, not above this, push down, then taking out this, then we can join from the pullback from any zone that is right here, or other block or liquidity or anything that we can join, then joining to break this high, which give us a good strong confirmation that we are buying. Then we can wait for price action later on dropping back to this zone, and we can join the buy and hold till we have our target area tapped or break. So that is what I'll be looking for the week on EURUSD, and that is the simple technical analysis with zero indicator, zero manipulation, and it's less complex, just simple market structure and price action and the use of confirmation. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel. The link is below this video. We have been posting free setups like this and free trades like this almost daily, and we will be sharing more ideas and more confluence in the view of the market. And don't forget to like and subscribe and on your notification button to receive more exclusive video like this. Peace out and enjoy the week.